In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Online. A profit and loss, or P&L, shows your income, your costs, and your expenses over a specific time period, so you can see whether you're making money. Let's walk through it together so you get a clear, accurate report you can rely on. First, go to QuickBooks Online and sign in to your company. Once you're in, head to the Reports area. You'll find Reports in the left-hand menu. If your layout looks a bit different, use the search bar at the top of the Reports page and type Profit and Loss. The standard Profit and Loss report will appear. Go ahead and open it. QuickBooks will generate a P&L with default settings. Before you do anything else, set the report period to what you need, like this month, last month, this year, or a custom range. Also choose the accounting method, cash or accrual, to match how you keep your books. This choice can change your totals, so pick the method your accountant expects and keep it consistent period to period. Now click Customize. This is where you make the report truly useful. Under the General section, confirm the date range and accounting method. You can also choose how numbers display and whether to show cents or negative numbers in parentheses. In Rows Columns, decide how you want columns to appear, by month, by quarter, or as a total only, depending on how detailed you want your view. In the Filters section, refine the report to focus on what matters. You can filter by distribution accounts to isolate certain income or expense categories, or filter by customer, location, or class if you track those. If you want a cleaner report, turn on options to show only rows or columns with non-zero amounts. In the Header and Footer section, update the report title if you prefer and add a subtitle, like the date range, so it's clear to anyone reading it. Once everything looks right, save it so you don't have to customize it again. Click Save Customization, give the report a clear name, and if you organize reports, add it to a group. From now on, you'll find it under the Custom Reports tab in the Reports page, ready to run with your saved settings. If something looks off, double-check the date range and the accounting method first. Also, make sure recent transactions are categorized correctly. Uncategorized items can skew your totals. That's it. You've created a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Online, customized it for your needs, and saved it for quick access next time.